Oh, Luke, if you only knew the possibilities. This time, my homeboy brought my Trash to Treasure project to me. Aww. So here's the before. Found him on the curb just down the street. I know where they used to live. There is a little bit of rust damage on the bottom, but we can overlook that, can't we? Today we'll be using Debi's DIY paint. Now actually the patio chairs are the first time I ever used Debi's DIY paint because I started painting them before I had painted the candlesticks, which you already saw in a video last time. Today's inspiration comes from Debi's design diary when she painted a Mexican blanket on her dresser in the ombre effect. I really like that look. I like the idea of doing the Mexican blanket idea, and I also like this Pioneer Woman pillow sham that I walk by every day and sometimes lay my head on. It's a beautiful day out, so I'm going to take this project outside. At first, it may look like I'm using painter's tape, but I'm not. This is blue iris. And in fact, to get these stripes on the chair, I'm just using the weaving in the chair as my line. I'm not using tape, and I don't even care if my line is straight. Just winging it. So just like that elusive mermaid footage that no one seems to capture while they're at sea. Yeah, no, my camera didn't capture me filming mermaid tail onto the chairs. But this is how it looks like. Now, old 57, let me tell you, this color, just like when you see an old 57 Chevy go down the road, you're like, woo-wee, what a head turner. Because I tell you what, I think this color, that's in one of my top favorite colors. So as you notice that I didn't want to line up my stripes to be all identical on each chair. And I did that on purpose because, well, let's be frank here. That'd be stressful. And I'm trying to make these a relaxing, easy-going patio. Sit back and relax. And enjoy sunshine. And not worry whether or not the stripes are straight. So that's what I did. This queen bee, let me tell you, she is like butterscotch pudding. When I was stirring that up, reminded me also of sunflowers. Can't go wrong with sunflowers. I've been watching Debi's design diary on YouTube for quite a few years now. I love her channel. You should check her out. She has lots of great ideas. And this paint product, I tell you what, I don't know that I'm ever going to buy any other kind. I like it that much. I'm sold. Now, originally, Cowgirl Coral was not on my list to buy, but when I saw it on the shelf, I knew I had to have it. And I'm glad I got it because I love it. It is right up there with Old 57 on one of my favorites. Now working with red can be a little bit dangerous. It can be a little bit spicy. It can be totally lovely. And it can be perfect. So here's my review of Debi's DIY paint. Get ready for it. Here it comes. I am probably only going to buy Debi's DIY paint. A little bit of it goes a long way. Just like she says, it's deep pigmented, so you don't need much. You can water it down. You can lighten the colors. She has secret recipes so you know how to mix and get new colors. It's clay-based. The texture is wonderful. Overall, I love this product. Look how this white swan goes on like whipped cream. Looking good. So let's see how far we've come, shall we? From the curb, blue iris, mermaid tail, Old 57, queen bee, cowgirl coral, carnival red, and white swan. Now we're going to paint the frame. I decided, because of that elusive mermaid footage, the first chair is going to be mermaid tail. The second chair is going to be carnival red, and the third is going to be queen bee. I did put on 2 coats of each color, and that's probably because I went on kind of light. I could have went on a little heavier with the first coat, but I did go pretty light. I could blend the chair a little bit more, but I think it looks good enough. I like it. I think they're vibrant. They look the way I visioned. I think they look like we could sit out on the patio for a spell.
Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.